Hi creative birdies, how are you guys today? I'm blown out of my mind. I wish I would have recorded my reaction to what you guys are looking at. This is a Tonic Studio Tim Holtz. I didn't even know this thing existed. Now I've heard Mama Elizabeth talk about this thing, and I've seen posts on Facebook about people waiting to get this. And Stacey Evans waiting to get this, and she even mentioned it to me while we were chatting. She would say, I can't wait to get my glass mat, I can't wait to get my glass mat. I had no freaking clue what the heck they were talking about. I'm late to the party. I am just now, because I received this, and I don't even know who sent this to me. I have clues. I mean, I don't have clues, but I have suspicions on who sent this to me. Not going to say names. I don't know. I really don't know. There was nothing in the package that said from. No, I just see my name. Seen my name. Okay, let me back up 100 times because I'm not saying the full story. So I've been in and out of the house 100 times today. There's been this box on my the inside of my porch that's locked up. My porch where I have lunch in the summertime. And the box was ripped, but that's all I can see was a big, huge box, bigger than this, just ripped on my table. I thought it was trash that my husband was taking out. I didn't pay attention to it. I really thought it was trash my husband was taking out. Because the box this came in 2 boxes. The big, huge box, right? There was a rip, and it was soaking wet. And then inside that I can see was another box, but I thought it was just more cardboard. Here in the house we deal with a lot of cardboard. My husband deals with a lot of cardboard because we donate cardboard that he gets from work or random places that we find cardboard. We donate it to a neighbor that collects cardboard, and that's how he makes his side money. And so when we see cardboard anywhere, a grocery store, thrown away on the side, we pick it up, we put it in the cart, and we bring it home, and then we'll give it to him, toss it into his back of his trunk. Not trunk. Yeah, it is a trunk, but it's in a truck. And that's where he collects all of his cardboard. And we'll just grab cardboard and throw it in there. So that's what I thought it was, okay? 11 o'clock tonight. I think it's about 11 o'clock tonight. Let's see. Well, let's check the phone. 11:02. So around 10:30 tonight, my husband comes home really late from work today because he had other assignments he had to do. He comes in, he's like, babe, why didn't you take this box in? It's been sitting there. Somebody threw it. He said somebody threw it this morning at 8 o'clock in the morning into the garden. He happened to go into the garden. Long story short, he picked it up and he put it in my inside porch on my lunch table that I use in the summer and spring. And he goes, you didn't take that in. He goes, it was in the garden. I don't know what it is. He said, it has your name. I thought you would see the name. I didn't. I run in and out of the house all day long. So he brought it in. I'm like, my name? He said, yeah, your name. You have one. I'm just like, smart ass. Okay, what is it? And he goes, I don't know. Did you buy yourself something? I said, no. I didn't buy myself nothing. Like, really. He's like, okay. Open it up. And nobody's recording. I didn't know what it was. Opened it up. And I see this, and I'm still, at that point, I'm like, what the hell is that? And I'm reading Tonic Studio, Tim Holtz. What is this? What is this? Who got this? What is this? Well, so many people know what it was and what it is. I didn't. It's a birthday gift. Still not sure who gave it to me. I'm super jazzed. I told you yesterday, which was March 2nd, that I cleaned up my desk somewhat. Well, today I am cleaning up my desk. Like, this has changed my whole view on my desk. Like, makes me want to be cleaner, Makes me not want to be so messy. And it's not that I'm messy, I just don't mind having inks and paints. Look, you see? I just don't mind that. But now that I have this and it's so stinking pretty, it makes me feel more, how can I say, professional? More, I don't know, different feel. It's kind of like when you have an old dress and you put new shoes on, brand new heels, and you feel like $1,000,000. That's the way I feel right now, honestly. So, I got it into my room, and I cleaned off my desk. I'm still cleaning. Oh, let me show you the feathers. You see the feathers I got in Happy Meal? I put some there. I put some here. I just haven't pushed them completely in because I'm not sure if I want to keep them there because they're so special and pretty to me. Oh, and I put these away too. These were in Happy Meal. Those are going in a special, and this here too, in a special little drawer. I'm going to put it away so that when I sew, I have that with me. I still haven't put away a lot of things. I have one of my dog's dinners up here because she's going to have dinner in a little bit. I put a feather right there. I want to keep that there for sure. I'm still filling that up. And then I put the other feathers on my water. Oh, and there's the magnets. All of the magnets I got this week. So pretty. I have my altered sunglasses right there. I just put filigrees on this side. But I put my feathers on my water. And I put another feather right there. And I put my garland up. That's what this table, Tonic Studio glass mat has done to me. Made me want to clean up my room even more. And then I put 2 feathers right there. And I think they're gorgeous. I have my rock right there. I love that rock. Really, really love that rock. I'm really happy. I'm super stoked. And I have Happy Meal. Well, let me move something personal. Oh, I don't want it to get on video. I have, obviously, my water because I drink so much water. It's not even funny. I'm afraid to put anything on that glass mat. Oh, I'm sure it'll hold it. I've just never had something so fancy. I have a package from Pop right there. I hope I didn't show nothing else. No. I have a package right there from Pop that I need to open. I have a suspicion this is from Pop. Not sure, but I have a suspicion. What else has this glass mat made me do within an hour? I'm cleaning up this little spot right here so I could bring things up. And in there, I'm organizing. Well, I use that when I sit. Try to curve up these legs. I'm putting away things like oh, there's my surface sprays. Oh, my tiles. That's the next video coming up. I started 2. I'm going to do more on camera, but I wanted to practice it just a little bit. And I actually got a hold of Cara, which is Christopher Arnold or Christopher something, the maker of the surface sprays. I had a few questions and she got back to me within minutes. They have great customer service on their Facebook. Anyways, so I'm organizing. I have my palette right there. I gotta put that tape away. I've had that piggy bank forever. I mean, it's old. Anyways, I have my daughter's little pacifier. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just organizing. I'm going to grab those feathers that I have there. And I'm going to put them in those vases over there. But anyways, this video is all about this. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I'm learning about it right now. I'm actually sitting here watching a few videos on what this is for, how to use it, what I did learn on Tim Holtz demo is that you can remove this. And there's squares under there. I'm treating it like a baby. This is removable. This can be placed wherever you want. You can place it there. But he uses his inks, distress inks, and then he puts water here. There's a whole video on it. And he's talking about how you can find the center, because there's a 0 there, 0 there, 0 there, and here. Or no, but it's not a 0. But you can basically find centers and measuring. There's an accessory that goes to this for cutting. It didn't come with a mat, but that's okay. I'm not sure if these are supposed to stay on here. These little corner things, they come off. I don't know if they're supposed to be on there or not, but I like them on there. Underneath, there are these little white pegs that hold this glass mat a few inches off of your table, which is awesome. I'm excited. I'm excited for something I didn't even know existed till today. I've seen the big, let me place you guys up again. I've seen the big, what is it called? I think it's, I have no clue. The gel mat. I seen that. That I fell in love with. I knew what that was. That's as far as I went. I really don't look at things. I really don't look at things. I do with what I have. I really don't look at things. So I had no clue what this was. I did know what the surface sprays were, because Stacey Evans shared that video with me. Let me move this. And I forgot to mention, I got this Distress Resist spray that I wanted so bad. This I do know what it is. This I had no clue what it was until today, like I mentioned. So now I need to, why is that not sticking? Today, well, now I'm thinking, okay, I need to keep hand sanitizer and clean cotton rags. Why is it not sticking down? There we go. Just got to give it a little extra love, maybe? Or maybe because my room is so cold. Hopefully. Glass sanitizer, he says, will clean this really well. But anyways, I was saying that this has accessories, like a ruler kind of thing that slides around. And there's a scraper that you use on this side. Not this side, but this side. That, you know what? Maybe next month I'm going to look into investing in, because I would like to have that to use with this wonderful thing that I didn't even know about. Didn't even know it existed till today. Everybody was chatting about it and talking about it. I kind of ignored it. Kind of was like, oh, don't know what they're talking about. Glass mat, okay, by Tim Holtz. You know, there's always new things out. I had no clue. But now that it's here and home, I love it. Want it, have it, need it. And it has made me feel like I have a brand new pair of heels on. It's made my desk want to be clean. Although I still keep all of these pieces of art that other people have sent me. Underneath, what you guys see is a plastic cover. And then I stick things in that people send me. Prints and papers and postcards and art and stuff like that. So I'm going to come back and share with you guys my tiles. We're going to do tiles. I'm not sure if I could do permanent inks on this glass. I'm still learning. I'm still going to learn. I'm not sure if I can spray my surface sprays on top of this or not. I know you cannot do it on this because it'll stain it. But I'm not sure if you could do it on this. I'll figure all this out off camera, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Alrighty, thanks to whoever sent this to me. I'm so appreciative. Like I said, I have a suspicion I know who it is. Just grateful. Very, very grateful. Very, very grateful. And I'll catch you guys later. Please like and subscribe. I usually never say that, but it seems that everybody else is saying it, so I guess I'm going to say that today. I'll talk to you guys later. Here's a little thingamabobber that, McKinnon's, what is her name? Something McKinnon's. She's made me beautiful art. She sent that little piece to me, and I have it on my monitor, and I love it there. On my little power button. Lindsay McKinnon's, yeah. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye!